This video goes along with eHomework 1.1 to 1.2. Number 19 is what it's similar to. This is a linear function, and we're going to evaluate and simplify using the difference quotient. So the difference quotient formula is given in problem 18, and I'll just write that out here. So it's always going to be f of x plus h minus f of x. So it's the change in y over change in x. So the change in x on this, my second x is x plus h, as dictated here by my input, minus x, and then the x's actually reduce out, right? They actually cancel. So I'm just going to write h under there. So you can see the previous video that goes over that as well in more detail. So now our function is f of x equals 5x plus 1. So for this chunk, f of x plus h, I'm just going to plug in x plus h. Everywhere I see x. So 5x plus h plus 1. And then minus, and make sure you use parentheses or brackets, whatever works for you, minus the function itself, f of x plus 1, all divided by h. Now we're going to distribute the negative here. Don't forget to do that. And you'll end up with 5x plus 5h plus 1. So the 5 gets distributed only to the x plus h. In the previous problem where it was a quadratic, we had to expand out the binomial squared first and then distribute, but this is just a linear, so I'm good with my order of operations there. Then I have minus 5x minus 1. And notice, I'm going to have some opposites there, and that's what I'm looking for. And then I end up having, let's see, a positive 5x, a minus 5x. Cross those out, plus 1, minus 1, cross those out. And then I'm left with 5h over h, and my h is reduced. So my final answer is 5. And I know I'm right on that one because if I look at this, anytime it's a linear, my difference quotient or my average rate of change is the same as my slope. So it should be the same as the slope. So when you have a test or a quiz or something like that where you have to show it your steps, I do still want to see all those steps, but you can know, oh yeah, I should get 5. So what am I doing wrong if I'm not getting 5? And things like that. And you can ask questions about this and let me know how it's going. Have a great day.